Hello, Body Fangs. Welcome to the push. Guys, this Friday, the 14th of February, is Valentine'sdag. Valentine's Day. It's like Halloween, Friday the 13th, but just with chocolates. No, only kidding. That's when there's a romantic little Kalgat baby coming with flairtjies there, and it shoots a dart in your gut over there, and you see heartjies all over the place there, and you fall in love. Or you show your love. With rose petals all over the place. You're on a bed there, champagne, like a Barry White music playing in the background there. Yeah. Now, a lot of people ask me, Barry, do animals in the bushes also have Valentine's Day? Yes, they do. Go! Go! Okay, thanks.